A lot of rude driving this week, but what's new about that? Watch the two cars behind me. Someone's not happy about being cut off. Now, I'm not happy about being cut off. You really should look behind you before pulling into traffic. I'm cut off again and again and again and again.
This is becoming monotonous.
Oh, now you finally choose to use your blinker. And this driver slows me down so they can cross all lanes of southbound traffic. And another rude thing, double parking during morning rush hour. Many things can go wrong during a dual turn, and here's one example. And you can't have a bad driving video without some red light runners.
That was just ridiculous.
Whoa, Nelly!
And another close call.
Whoa, Nelly!
Hey, look, some new graffiti. Don't believe me? Just look at the previous clip. That U-turn can't be legal. Pay attention to the driver in the far lane. He crosses the hash lines right in front of a merging vehicle. Like I said in my previous video, don't be rude and leave your bumper in someone else's lane.
Whoa, Nelly!
There's still a lot of confusion about the meaning of right turn only. And finally, driving with your flashers on, not a good idea.